Okay, you've logged into your account, and just to confirm the account that you're on, if you're on Windows 7, which is the majority of the computers in the lab, if you open up the File Explorer down here with the folder here and click on Computer, you'll see your account, and you can see that I'm logged in as P9U02. If I double click there, I'm going to get some stuff in there which is mine. These three folders here will always be there. We don't need to worry about them. And yeah, we can go from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to Autodesk Inventor Professional 2013 and double click on the icon. And it's going to take a minute to come up. It's a big program. So you're going to get this splash screen and just click I agree and I agree and proceed. And Inventor will slowly come up. There we go. You'll often get this, especially if it's the first time you've logged onto your account, of course, and then also frequently at subsequent times as well. But you can just say no thanks. And now we've got our initial screen, so what you can see is you get this nice splash screen. And for right now, while we might use this in the future, we're just going to close it. And we're going to initially set up some basic configuration parameters that I'd like everybody to do so that we're all on the same page. So the big I is where a lot of things are accessed. So I click the big I come down to options, and I get a very detailed pop-up window. We're going to go to three tabs. We're going to initially go to Sketch, and we're going to come over here to the display area, and we're going to click grid lines. So the grid lines are going to be shown. Click apply. Then we're going to go to the part tab, and we're going to sketch on the XY plane and apply that. And for colors, I don't think we really need to make any change at this point. Sometimes if you change the colors, it may degrade the quality of the grid lines. Let's stick with winter night, which is the default, and gradient for the background. And so we'll close here. And you can see nothing happens until we create a new part. So right now we're going to get started in creating a new part. So if I click new, I get this create new file pop-up window. And the way things are set up right now, we're always working in standard units. So the standard IPT will come up. IPT is the file extension for an Inventor part. And I can just hit create. And since I set up grid lines and to sketch on the XY plane, I automatically get this after I create a new part. Now, for some other computers which are not as fast as this one might be, you'll see a bunch of information coming up here in the lower left indicating that Inventor is coming up, and it will that it's not hung, because it can take some time on various computers. Now at this point, what we want to do is basically do a two-dimensional sketch and then make it three-dimensional, and then do a another two-dimensional sketch on one of the surfaces just created, and do that iteratively over and over again until we get a part. And so we'll go through that in some detail. So I'm going to stop right now, and we're going to pick it up with the really very important step, and that is the creation of a project.